Hi you guys, this is Lex here from On The Go Grocery Vending, better known as OTG Vending. I am here this morning in Food Lion doing shopping restock for the machine. We are getting our little bites, our sodas, our cookies. So when it comes to doing your shopping, it is very imperative, especially now with the price of items in the stores all around, that you go to a couple of different stores in order to get the products that you need for your machines. So sometimes your local grocery stores will run better deals, sometimes Sam's Club, sometimes Costco. So it just really all depends what product you're looking for and then how much your price point is in your machines. So you guys stay tuned. I'll let you know what our final total was and all the items that we got. See you later.